Hello, I'm Mr. Paul, and today we will be learning about nouns. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say at least 5 nouns, and some of you will be able to find nouns in sentences. Your learning objective is to know 5 nouns. Words that name things are nouns. Anything which you can see and touch is a noun. Here are some nouns: eggs, apples, birds, socks, car, and horse. Listen to the words. If they are a thing which you can see and touch, shout out noun. Car, noun. The, now. Horse, noun. Socks, noun. Eggs, noun. Drive. Birds, noun. Apples, noun. Getting started. We will now start some tasks, so make sure you have a pencil, a book to write in, and a rubber, in case you make a mistake. Complete the sentences for each picture, choosing the right noun from the box of nouns. Let's read through all the nouns in the box. Bike, car, boat, umbrella, octopus, egg, horse, hen, house, bells, birds, bees, sacks, sticks, socks, apples, bananas, oranges. Pause the video now to give you enough time to add the correct nouns to these sentences. Here is a car. This is an egg. I can see a horse. I can hear some birds. These are socks. Here are some apples. Now try these. Take a look at this classroom. How many nouns can you find before the timer runs out? You have 20 seconds, starting from now. How many nouns did you find? Here are some of the nouns in this classroom. Find the 2 nouns starting with S. Scales and scissors. Now find the 2 nouns starting with B. Books and brushes. Find the 2 nouns starting with R. Ruler and recorder. Find the 2 nouns starting with D. Door and dinosaur. Find the 2 nouns starting with C. Computer and clock. Find the 2 nouns starting with P. Paint and pencils. Practice your punctuation. Look at these sentences. The capital letter and full stops are missing. Can you remember how to put them in the right place? We did this in the last lesson. Add a capital letter and full stop to each sentence. Pause the video now because I will put in the capital letters and full stops shortly. A boy is writing in his book. Capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. The teacher is sitting in a chair. Capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. Some girls are painting a picture. Capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. The mouse is in its cage. Capital letter at the start and full stop at the end. The man is mending the door. Capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. Now we must underline the two nouns in each sentence. Remember, if you can see and touch it, it is a noun. A boy is writing in his book. Boy and book are nouns. The teacher is sitting in a chair. Teacher and chair are nouns. Some girls are painting a picture. Girls and picture are the nouns. The mouse is in its cage. Mouse and cage are nouns. The man is mending the door. Man and door are the nouns. Now you know that nouns are the names of things. If you can see and touch it, it is a noun. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Bye!